My name is Josh Quick. I am the owner here at MidSouth CrawlSpace Solutions. We are a professional moisture control company. We provide foundation repair, we provide moisture control, crawl space encapsulation, and mold treatment. And so all of the wet, nasty, yucky things that going on up underneath conventional foundation homes, that's what we specialize in. And we get rid of humidity, we get rid of moisture, we get rid of mold, and we provide stabilization for homes. Whenever I started this company, there was two things that was really important to me. One of those things was that I create a company that was capable of delivering excellent customer service consistently. Not just something that was on a whim, or not one of those situations where we get it right occasionally, but I wanted to be able to deliver excellent customer service time and time again.
Hey, my name is Brett DiBiase. I work here at MidSouth CrawlSpace Solutions. Well, the reason that we've been so successful is that our customers out there know that. And by word of mouth, it's getting around that MidSouth, hey, these people not only are just trying to make a living, but they genuinely, truly care about you and your home and taking care of you and helping you reach that goal that you have.
As I'm listening to our sales team members talk on the phone to a client, or I'm just hearing a conversation from one of our crew members after a job, I can really just hear the tiny extra little things they do to just make a client happy. And to me, it seems like that going above and beyond is just part of the normal here with how often it happens, and that's something it's really nice to watch. Even the production crew, who I don't get to see very much, when I get to have conversations with them, it feels like I'm talking to people that I'm close with. And as I work with them, I feel like I'm part of a team, which I know that's something that every small business says they want to be, they strive for, so it's almost cheesy, but that's genuinely how it feels here. I feel like I'm working with people that I know, and that's great.
I think that here at MidSouth CrawlSpace Solutions, we all go above and beyond for our clients every day. Whether you're answering the phone and you want to give them a cheerful voice and let them know that we're going to help them any way we can, to the fellows that are actually on the ground doing the work. We try to be courteous, we try to be professional, and we try very hard to make sure we solve your problem.
The other thing that was important to me was that I create a company where really good people wanted to come work.
My name is Melissa Johnson, and I'm a design specialist here at MidSouth. It's rare to find a company that has people like MidSouth. We all work as one team. Doesn't matter if we're separate departments, and that goes a long way.
The team of people that work here, I would describe them as one team. They would go above and beyond to help their co-workers. You can call them at any time of the day and they will drop everything they're doing to come rescue you.
Excellence, again, is something that's very important to me. And I believe that delivering excellence is a choice. And so we as a company believe that that's a choice that we make. And day in and day out, we show up and we choose excellence today. If I've not done anything right as the owner of the company, I have managed to amass a team of people that are absolutely extraordinary. They're high achievers, and they have very high standards, and the way that they do work and the way that they believe that excellence should be delivered is extraordinary. And because of that, specifically is how we got from May of 2018 to here we are in 2022 today, and we're a thriving, growing company.